ओम श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरवे नमः। ओम श्री गीता ज्ञान यज्ञ प्रचारकाय नमः। Hariom. In life, we have a lot of questions for the rituals we perform or traditions we follow. We ask questions, why? And then we leave it there. हम आगे उसको परस्यू नहीं कर पाते हैं या हम उसकी आंसर की तह तक नहीं पहुंचते हैं. Gurudev Swami Chinmayananda also had same questions like us. He was a very well-known journalist, also a law student. But he did not stop until he found answers.
This term will be predominantly 18th century authors, and the next term 19th century. Literature has spanned centuries, and it is as much alive today as it was then. Are there any questions?
Sir, I went through the syllabus. It looks very varied. We'll be learning about the Germans, the French, even about the Greeks. There's nothing about Indian literature. What about King Ashoka? Even Tagore's Gitanjali, which has won the Nobel Prize, is not mentioned.
Well, yes, you're right. I'm just a lecturer, and I don't write the syllabus.
Yeah, the British did that, right?
Balan, if there are no further questions, we will talk about this after the break in the classroom. Thank you.
A diamond necklace, very exotic. Indian design, huh? Very, very
I
beautiful.
can't believe you spent all that money on your girlfriend for her birthday.
And she broke up with you a week later.
At least I spent it on my own good cause. Unlike you, who spends it on some sadhus in the mountains.
Hey, I give money for a good cause and I get blessings. What's wrong in that?
There's a lot of good work happening out there, and they're always in need of more funds.
How sure are you that they're using your money appropriately? They should be here in the cities where their help is needed the most, not up in the mountains. They are a lazy, useless lot. And you fools believe them. Never mind. I'm sorry.
Balan, you should really see for yourself. I can take you around.
There's a fable. A man once saw a monkey sitting on the bank of a river and picking the fish one by one and putting it on the bank. The fish were obviously struggling to death. The man was shocked and asked the monkey, "What are you doing?" The monkey said, "Can't you see? I'm saving the fish from drowning." More often than not, we are the monkeys who are trying to save the fish. No, I didn't mean you're the monkey. I meant the sadhus.
Some sadhus may be frauds, not all.
Religion is the opium of the masses. I'm going to catch and expose those drug peddlers.
If you're really open for this, there's somebody I'd like you to begin with. A sadhu you can expose to the world. Are you game? Balan, are you game?
I thought you would never come back. You came back in style, Balan. Next week you are sure to win the Best Young Journalist of the Year award. I have insider info that you are the favorite of the jury. Added to that, you have gained a promotion. Well done, Balan. What more could one want in life, right? Except maybe you want to make us elders happy by starting your own family. I'm sure there are hundreds of parents of young girls will be queuing up for a prime
3
catch
months
like
of
you.
this.
Get
3
married,
months.
settle down.
What more can
raise
one
children.
want out of life, he asks.
Why are you serious, Balan?
I started out wanting to expose the sadhus of the world. I fear I have ended up exposing only one. The one that truly matters. The sadhu within me.
You need to get your parents' permission. Next Shivratri will ordain you into sannyasa. Any questions, journalist?
गुरुदेव ने अपने गुरुओं के साथ 7 साल तक पढ़ाई की थी. स्वामी शिवानंद जी महाराज एंड स्वामी तपोवन जी महाराज. स्वामी शिवानंद जी महाराज was a very well known for his compassion and kindness, but स्वामी तपोवन जी महाराज was very strict. जब गुरुदेव उनके पास पढ़ने के लिए गए तो उन्होंने कंडीशन रखी थी. सबसे पहले कहा कि मैं एक ही बार पढ़ाऊंगा. जब भी मैं आपको सवाल पूछूं तो आपको उसका जवाब देना रहेगा, और अगर आपने जवाब नहीं दिया तो उसी वक्त आप वहां से चले जाएंगे, मतलब आपकी पढ़ाई खत्म, आप आगे नहीं पढ़ सकते. Gurudev agreed to all his conditions and said, I accept. गुरुदेव वहां पर जहाँ पढ़ रहे थे उनकी जो छोटी सी कुटिया थी, और गुरुदेव बहुत लंबे थे, तो वो कुटिया में ठीक से सो भी नहीं सकते थे सीधा। उनको अगर कुटिया में सोना है तो वो डायगनली सोते थे। Such difficult conditions Gurudev had faced, and still he came down for all of us to share the knowledge.
Mother Ganga starts up here as just a small trickle. She flows down the mountain, transforming into a gushing force that nourishes and enlivens. This knowledge that I have gained up here is for everyone, not just a few. I will take what I have learned and share it with the world. This will be my offering to the great rishis of yore. Gurudev, the urge is irresistible. We need to empower the masses with this knowledge.
Chinmaya, not many would be interested. But since you have this urge and you look very determined, go. Go try. If even 4 people come to listen to you, it is success. When you go, if people are not receptive, come back. Never forget, you belong to the Himalayas.
Gurudev has worked tirelessly and extensively to have easy access of Hindu scriptures and specifically Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Gurudev in one of his talks said that Bhagavad Gita is a manual of life. अगर आपको आपकी लाइफ में कोई भी क्वेश्चन है, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है, गीता को खोलिए, देखिए और आपको डेफिनेटली उसमें से उसका आंसर मिलेगा। गुरुदेव का गीता के लिए प्यार और सम्मान देखकर बड़े बड़े संत महात्मा भी इंस्पायर होते थे। गुरुदेव के गुरु भाई स्वामी श्री चिदानंद जी महाराज कहते थे, ये गुरुदेव में एक नहीं 100 कृष्णा है। स्वामी श्री हरिदास जी महाराज कहते थे, एवरी मोमेंट स्पेंट विद गुरुदेव वॉज इंस्पायरिंग। उन्हें ऐसे लगता था कि ये भगवत गीता को इतना बखूबी कैसे एक्सप्लेन कर सकते थे। वो जरूर ही अर्जुन रहे होंगे जिन्होंने भगवान श्री कृष्ण से गीता का अध्ययन किया होगा।
I've heard about the great things you've been doing. You've become famous here. A hero from the Himalayas. Seems like you have encompassed the whole family. And Vanaprastha too. Brilliant. Are you preparing them for sannyasa?
Swamiji, there is a great thirst for knowledge, but no access to the right spiritual fountain. If you do not quench their past lives, we may lose our culture forever.
What do you have in mind?
A monastery down the plains, where seekers can come and study easily. I would like to build an army of monks to uplift and rejuvenate our culture. I would like to call it Sandipani Sadhanalaya.
Rishi Sandipani was the guru of Sri Krishna. As such, you are teaching Bhagavad Gita. Very apt name. Wonderful.
Gurudev had taught Bhagavad Gita for 40 long years and more than 500 Bhagavad Gita Gnana Yagna. Gnana Yagna name was made popular by Gurudev himself. Gnana Yagna means ignorance burned in knowledge received. Gift. Gita, an inspiring friend to treasure. Why? हम गीता को अपनी हैशटैग BFF क्यों बनाएं? क्योंकि गीता will never cheat. Gita will never break your heart. It will always guide you, inspire you, show you the way. अगर रास्ता भटक गए ना तो आपको रास्ते पे भी ले आएंगी. There is no chance of misunderstanding. Why not make it our best friend forever and cherish our lives? I am so amazed that गुरुदेव ने भगवत गीता के ऊपर इतना काम किया है कि हर एक श्लोक का कौन से टॉपिक पे आप यूज कर सकते हो, कौन से प्रॉब्लम के लिए यूज कर सकते हो, उसका पूरा सेग्रीगेशन दिया हुआ है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एंगर इश्यूज, इनर पीस, गाइडेंस टू टीनेजर, guidance to businessmen, guidance to politicians, and many more. लास्ट में मैं सिर्फ इतना ही कहना चाहूंगी कि गुरुदेव ने जिस तरह से भगवत गीता को डिसाइफर किया है शायद कोई ही कर पाएगा। उन्होंने प्लेटर नहीं, पूरा का पूरा 56 भोग हमारे सामने लाकर रख दिया है। इट इज सो एप्ट कि आज कोई भी ग्रुप या कोई भी कॉर्पोरेट या कोई भी सेक्टर आप ले लो, यू विल फाइंड इट्स रिलेवेंस। इट वॉज रिटन in 1953 by Gurudev, and Bhagavad Gita is so old. It's like 5,000, 6,000 years old. Yet, it is so inspiring and so relevant today in 2021 too. Hari Om.